Good morning. Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Got Junior down here. Probably going to bump the camera. It happens. It's this thing. Today we're going to get into laying left. Now, laying left, I pulled the queen out of that because they looked like they wanted to swarm. They had swarm cells with eggs in them. So I pulled her out and put her in our little double nuke. And now I want to go through and see if I can't find the queen in that hive, if they have one. So let's go do this. All right, this is laying left. We'll see how they're doing up here. Nice that they're drawing some comb, but I can tell right now they're not. I am not very happy with the plastic queen excluder. Okay, so we'll start on the bottom. Oh, and I got a new tool. Let me go get that. This is a frame gripper. I've never really used one, but I thought it might be handy for Josh to have. So what we're looking to do here is to see if they've got a queen, if she's hatched, if she's laying. That side's all honey, nothing going. All right. This is the frame width that had the supersedure cells that I didn't really like. They are tearing them down. That side's just honey. I forgot to separate them. This has got nectar, honey, and pollen in it. This had some queen cells, tore up. They're backfilling with nectar, all the valuable real estate that they have. This is a medium that I gave them because I was out of deeps, and they're filling it with honey. A lot of honey filling going on here. Okay, we got the queen. Got a queen right there. Where you at, little girl? There. I lost her. think I like the old marking cup better than this thing. All right, I'm 0 for 2 for marking queens, but I don't need to go any further. I saw a queen. I'm going to put it back together again. We'll go from there. I'm debating whether I want to put the queen excluder on. They're getting honey bound down below, although they have a lot of room up here. I think I'm going to skip the queen excluder. So, for some quick observations on laying left, they're honey super. They haven't touched the second deep. They put honey in it, but they really haven't done anything else with it. They've got a lot of honey down below that they really need to move up for her. Found a queen. I think she was still a virgin queen. She was a little small. She looked good, but she was a little small, so I'm thinking she's still a virgin queen. So hopefully next week we'll find some eggs and brood in this hive. So we'll tear it all down again next week and take a look, see what we see. At that time I might move some frames around. If they got some completely capped deeps, I might take those, give them back something that they can build out on. All right. Well, that's going to be it for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. You too can be super cool if you give me one. Do you know what else is super cool? That's right, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. If you haven't, then why not scroll down? It's backwards. Why not you go ahead and scroll down and click on that red subscribe button that'll give you that won't give you notifications anymore. When you do that, a little bell's going to pop up. You click on the bell. That should give you notifications every time we upload a new video. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.